It's Dave, Cindy, we're here in the garden again, and today we're going to be harvesting some tomatillos that are growing back there. Come on guys, let's go. I'll be taking my favorite harvesting basket and snippers, and we're going to go back there. Alright, now we're here. This is the tomatillo plant that I was talking to you about. Let me show you a close-up because all of this stuff is pretty much done. Once the outer skin is already easy enough to tear apart, usually that means that they're ripe and they're ready to go. You can eat these raw. I usually don't prefer them raw. So let's get started, and we're gonna catch maybe 100 of these. This one was left too long. I was trying to record this video for you guys, but pick them a little earlier than I am. Learn from me. It's okay. These are going to be composted, so nothing goes to waste. All right, maybe I'll make this into a time lapse since this might take a little too long. Cindy, Cindy, come. Please. This way. Come. Come. And maybe you can see this one in the background. Catching a few. And back here, anything that doesn't look viable, we're gonna go ahead and drop it in here. This one's fully done. Someone had a really nice snack back here. And you know what? Don't be upset. This is perfectly fine. We gotta share the food, right? Alright, so, well, for starters, we got a lot of tomatillos. But for many of you that don't know, the tomatillo, from what I understand, someone can fact so far we've harvested, a good 20-pounder, and we still got a lot of things left over. Look at all this grass. Can't wait to compost it. And yes, we're gonna compost everything that we're pulling from here that is not viable. We're gonna need another one. All right, got a box from Costco, and we're gonna continue to fill this up. And look what we found down here. There we go. Cindy, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Just in case anyone's wondering, David, are you afraid of anything? The answer is, I'm afraid of most things. Check this guy out. There he is. It's a caterpillar. The one with the little horn at the end. Yeah, these guys usually eat everything. I had a few praying mantis eggs that I put out there, but let me know what you guys do to take care of these guys. Let me go put this bad boy down and we're gonna compost him. Look at these. And if you rip them apart, that is beautiful. Cindy, you want one? We should make some salsas with these, what do you think? All right, just in case if anyone's wondering, is this tiresome? The answer is yes. And let me show you a close-up of the progress we've made. So the ones that are eaten, we're just gonna toss them in here to compost. Why am I barefoot? Well, why not? Let's get weird. All jokes aside, you can actually step on the floor. And if you step on a tomatillo, pick it up. And if you guys want a close-up, that's what I've been doing for the last hour and change. I've been doing this over and over. If you're wondering, are there bugs down here? Yeah, it's living soil. Look. That's beautiful. And here you have it. This is the final yield. At this point of the video, I was exhausted. My energy levels were low. And I'll be honest with you, at one point I wanted to give up. Take a minute to guess what the final weight might look like, and maybe I could have a fun contest where I can donate some seeds or something fun. Catch you in the next video. Bye everyone.